What if the key to achieving your dreams, to overcoming your struggles and becoming the best version of yourself was already inside of you? And what if you could unlock that power today? I'm Jonathan Butler, and I want to ask you something very important. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to truly take control of your life? Imagine overcoming anxiety, boosting your confidence, or conquering the obstacles that are standing in your way, simply by using the power of your mind. Well, the good news is that this isn't a dream. It can be a reality, and you can make this happen in just 7 days. Introducing Self Hypnosis Mastery, a course designed to show you exactly how you can tap into the vast potential of your subconscious mind, whether it's overcoming stress, eliminating bad habits, or achieving the success that you've always wanted. You can unlock these transformations in just 1 hour a day for 7 days. Because you see, self-hypnosis is more than just a tool. It is a superpower that's already within you. It's the ability to reprogram your mind to achieve the things that you want in your life. But no one's ever taught you this. And I'm going to teach you how to master this skill in just 7 days for 1 hour a day on your own time, in your own place, on the schedule that suits you. Now, this course has been crafted by me, an award-winning hypnotherapist and leading RTT therapist, drawing my years of experience of working with thousands of people and teaching people how to do hypnosis. And I'm teaching this to you using these techniques that I've learnt, picking from the best people I've ever come across and I've worked with. And it's not just fast to learn, it's not just fun to learn, although it is fun to learn. It is easy to learn, but most importantly, it is incredibly effective. And you can learn this, master this in 7 days, or if you want to go faster, even less than 7 days. In that course, over that 7 days, 1 hour a day on average, you can learn to access that 95% of your mind that you're currently not using because no one's showed you how. You can learn how to perform powerful self-hypnosis with these simple, easy to follow, step-by-step techniques. You can master hypnotic language to boost your influence and confidence. You can use proven neuroscience methods to literally reprogram your mind for success. And most importantly, you're going to experience rapid, life-changing results with techniques that you can apply wherever you are, whatever you're doing. And even better still is you don't need any previous experience. This course is for anyone who wants to feel better, to act better, and to live better. Whether it's reducing anxiety, increasing your confidence, overcoming fears, self-hypnosis in this course is going to give you the tools to make these lasting, positive changes. And not only am I making this learning easy for you, but I'm going to make this financially easy for you too. I want to make this a no-brainer. This course is normally $299, which is a great price for the value you get from it as it stands. But today I'm offering you something truly special. I'm offering you this Self-Hypnosis Mastery course, normally priced at $299 for just $99. 65% off, $99 for a course that's going to teach you these life-changing skills. But I'm not done yet, because I want to just have no reason why you wouldn't do this if you're interested in learning about self-hypnosis. So as well as this incredible price, I'm going to throw in and give you valuable bonuses that are going to make this even more powerful and even easier to get results from for you. So I'm going to give you 7 ready-made scripts that you can use straight away to start making changes. These include scripts for confidence, for anxiety, for manifesting money, for losing weight. So they are included and ready to go. I will give you access to a private WhatsApp group where you can ask me questions directly. So you're getting the support to go alongside all of those tools. And I'm going to give you access to Q&A sessions where you can ask questions in an open forum and where you're going to get examples and demonstrations from me of doing this live. And as if that's not enough, I'm also going to give you certification. I'm going to give you a certificate for completing this course for being competent in self-hypnosis. And this is a certification that you can use should you wish to do further courses with me, should you maybe wish in the future to become a hypnotherapist. You will already have knowledge and experience of doing this for yourself. So it's a great foundation for anything that you choose to do with it. And just like Steve from Kent, who says to me, "Thank you, Jonathan. I've been wanting to learn self-hypnosis for a while, and what you taught was clear and easy to implement. I'm already seeing great results 1 week in." So you too can start transforming your life today. All the tools, all the techniques, everything you need to take control of your mind is right here, right now. This is your chance to change the way you think, you feel and you act, and the results that you can get, all for $99. But this will not last long, this offer. So you can start transforming your life today with all the tools, all the techniques, everything you need to take control of your mind is here. With those bonuses, you've got the support. So there is absolutely no excuse, no reason why you cannot make this successful. I want you to make this successful, to make this work, and to have that power for you to think, feel, act, and get the results that you want. So just click that link down below. It won't stay at that price for long. It won't stay with those bonuses for long. So click that link now, get those bonuses. Don't wait. Take control of your mind, your future, your success. And I can't wait to see you on the other side, teaching you all of this incredible knowledge in the course. I'll see you there.